an intentional one. The governor's fasting.
These are the healthiest suhoor or pre-dawn meal hacks you will ever hear. Number 1. Never skip the breakfast morning meals, suhoor. And for this morning meal, medical experts have recommended avoiding simple carbohydrates found in processed food, as those are unlikely to provide long-term energy. Instead, we can have a healthy suhoor incorporating whole grains, healthy fats, proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Number 2, make sure to drink as much water as possible between sunset and sunrise. Staying hydrated is critical to keep adequate energy levels throughout the day while fasting. Opting for food with a higher water ratio instead of sweets can also help boost your daily water intake. Number 3, beware of oily and greasy food. Too much of this can leave you tired and lower your energy levels the following day. Number 4, overeating. This is a common problem among people who fast, so let's stay mindful of food portions, as overeating leads to weight gain. Number 5, consuming a lot of deep fried, creamy and sweet foods may also cause you to gain weight during Ramadan. And yes, during the month of Ramadan, we are inclined to indulge in heavier and richer foods than we normally would, like samosas and other fried goodies, which can lead to us feeling sluggish and tired. Yes, I said it. That bloated, lethargic feeling can be even worse if you wash down those fries with that fizzy drink. So, Ramadan can be a good time to make changes to improve the balance of your diet that you can sustain in the longer term. I'm Dr. Hadiza, your friendly holistic reconstructive surgeon. Watch more on my fasting playlist here and subscribe, like and share the medical information